Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use calcium bones for dogs. Calcium bones are a fantastic way to support your canine companion's health, offering vital minerals for strong teeth and bones. They also provide a healthy outlet for your dog's natural urge to chew, which can help prevent destructive behaviors. We'll cover everything from selecting the right bone to ensuring safe and effective use for your beloved pet. When selecting a calcium bone, size matters significantly. A bone too small can be a choking hazard, while one too large might be difficult for your dog to manage. Always choose a bone specifically designed for your dog's size and chewing style. Also, check the ingredient list for natural, beneficial components, and avoid any artificial colors or flavors to ensure the best for your furry friend. Proper usage is key to maximizing benefits and ensuring safety. Calcium bones should be given as a supplement or treat, not as a primary food source. Always supervise your dog while they are enjoying their bone to prevent any choking hazards or excessive consumption. Most manufacturers provide clear guidelines on serving sizes based on your dog's weight, typically suggesting one bone every few days or once a week. Safety is paramount when giving your dog calcium bones. Always remove any small, broken pieces that could become a choking hazard. Oversupplementation of calcium can lead to serious health problems, so stick to recommended dosages. If your dog has existing health conditions or is on other medications, it's always best to consult your veterinarian before introducing any new dietary supplements to ensure they are appropriate and safe for your pet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.